The Memorandum of Understanding was to enhance, promote and develop mutual dialogue and competition between the two organizations in the areas of capacity building. The Chief Executive Officer for Port Moresby General Hospital, Dr. Paki Molumi, said his staff needed this to understand the hospital's cooperation plans and work alongside to achieve the national government's goal in the health sector.
Signing up with a key agency, SILAG, who is involved in training of our public servants, the managers, so that they understand that bigger government plans and how that leads to how the activities that we do each day leads to those bigger government plans. So the signing of the MOU today will allow SILAG to assist Port Moresby General Hospital, train our staff in management, in planning, in all aspects of leadership.
Dr. Molumi explained on the importance of the MOU. He further said the SILAG team will now have to come to the hospital to help run the trainings. The Chief Executive Officer for Somare Institute of Leadership and Governance, Michael Barobe, said SILAG's function is to train public servants to be competent.
So the main focus and heritage of that name and that function is continuing, although we in SILAG in the modern age. Our job is simply train public servants to be competent and have a capacity to develop government goods and services.
He said it is important for an organization to implement the corporate plans they have, and that is where SILAG comes in to help educate public servants to work alongside to achieve their goal.
So you need those things to be planned. Those things need to be achieved. Then as we know, all of us are trained in different fields. Some of us in the medical field, we are trained how to handle the patients. So we need competencies and capacities how to implement those plans. We need management plans. We need HR plans. We need finance plans. That all these things you need to have that. When you have that, then your performance, the outcome will be much better.
He further said they are now working on making SILAG certificates compulsory in order to become a public servant.
We are making a law that all public servants in this country must have a SILAG certification before you become a public servant. And that is before the state sold now to give us a clearance to send to NEC and to the parliament. And before it becomes a law, we have to know these things and we have to do these things. Why we are doing these things? To ensure that public servants are appointed and promoted properly.
The event concluded with the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding by the two parties. Samantha Solomon, National EMTV News.